Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of the Loot Crate Sanrio box, which is this. So I'm so excited because I never received anything from Loot Crate, and yeah, like it's Hello Kitty, so I had to get this because I was like, why not? So yeah, they sent it to the wrong address, so I had to go to my old address, even though I corrected the address with them and I had to tell them like to change it, but I guess they didn't change it. And regular mail never forwarded it to me, so luckily no one was living at my old address, so I was able to go grab it, thank God. But yeah, let's just get to the unboxing. Okay, so the box is pretty damaged, as you can see, and it just looks pretty bad shape. And plus it was in the rain, it left it outside and it was in the rain, so hopefully nothing is damaged inside, so I don't know. But let's see what's inside. I honestly don't even know what's inside, like, oh, because I guess it's supposed to be like a secret, so I don't know what you get. They just give you a theme and they surprise you with stuff, so I really don't know anything too much about it. The box is kind of wet, so looks like that. Big smile, that's cute. So it pretty much looks like this. I think this is so cute. It has a Hello Kitty on it, and the packaging is like so cute. I love the tissue paper. This looks like a stamp, Hello Kitty stamp. It's cute. So let's see what else they got. Oh my gosh, I love this sweater. The sweater is like what made it everything. So cute. Like, oh gosh, let me put this down. It's a little damp. I might need to just let it air dry. But look how cute this is. Like, oh my gosh. I know I live in friggin' Florida and people are gonna be like, you do not live in a cold climate. I understand that, but hello, we have AC, so you get cold inside the house. So this is pretty cool. Yep, this is my size. Because at first I was like, I don't know what size to order. Like, oh my gosh, there's like a little, I guess a mushroom? Yes, you want to call it a mushroom, yeah. That is so cute. And the material is not, it's not really thick. Like, it's a nice material, but it's not like super thick. So I got mine in a medium because I wasn't really sure, like size-wise, like how they really work. So, because they did ask you like shoe size, t-shirt size, which I think it's unisex, so they did ask me that before I ordered the My Melody baseball cap hat. I don't really wear so much hats, but it's pink and I'm like, yes, you know what? I'm gonna put this on right now because why not? All right, we're gonna go with it. I probably don't match, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. This is so adorable. They sent a cute mug. I've been wanting like a travel mug for like the longest time. Yeah, like I've been just trying to find something really cute. But it looks like that. This comes off, so like if you want to see it, the print of it, it's so cute. It has My Little Twin Stars. You have Choco Cat, My Melody, Hello Kitty. This is like a really good plastic. Let's see the inside. Oh, it just comes off like that. So it looks like that. It's pretty small. Like for 1 cup of coffee, it will do the job. At least I think. So I don't know if you guys are coffee lovers, or if you don't drink coffee. I mean, you could just put whatever you want in here, I would say. I usually do with my cups, so definitely gonna be using that. I also got this cute tote bag. So let's open her up. So it looks like this. It looks like a medium to a large tote bag. I would definitely be using this like almost every single time because I live for tote bags. Yeah, this is such a good quality. Love it. And then you have the characters in the back. So you have Hello Kitty, you have the mushroom, the little twin stars, My Melody, and Choco Cat. That's so cute. Like, love it. So definitely be using this like almost every single day. Actually, I was in need of a new purse, so I'm gonna be changing this soon. Okay, so there's another item. This one's the embroidered pin set. So it looks like that. So you're gonna get My Melody, Hello Kitty, and Choco Cat, which is so cute. Looks very bohemian and very hippie, I guess you wanna say, because they're wearing flowers as a headband. Super adorable. Like, I would put this with the tote bag. Like, I would just stick it on there. So adorable. Okay, last but not least, I guess this is a poster. Oh, you get a cute little poster, and then you flip it, and it tells you exactly what you receive in each, like in your subscription box. So that's pretty cool. I just didn't know they had a blue hat, a Choco Cat. That's actually pretty cool. I just wish you can buy this like separately, like for a family or friend or something. Like, you know, if you wanted this hat for a friend, that way you guys can be matchy-matchy. I don't know, something like that, I guess. but yeah, I actually am really happy with the subscription. Apparently, I guess Sanrio Loot Crate boxes don't come every month. I guess it's only like every couple of months they come out. I think the next one won't be till like June or July, from what I saw online. I don't know. So, but other than that, that's all I want to show you guys. I'm really happy with it so far. I only did one subscription box, so I didn't purchase the 4 boxes, like meaning whenever they come out, they're gonna send it to me. I just wanted to check them out first to see if I like it or not, but definitely might be doing the next box, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.